How to create new Vmware account for downloading ESXI and Vspare client and every other thing downloads for the lab involvement. First of all, I have go to Google and type Vmware official website. I'm going on right now. Secondly, we have to go to the Vmware India Cloud Mobility Network and Security. After it will be going official website of Vmware. And next go to login and my Vmware. Later on I don't have account right now. I'm creating new account currently. Go to sign up now. The registration page will be open automatically. Now I am copying my email ID and paste it. Copy. Just paste it. And secondly, I have to copy and paste it. Actually, I have already registered, but right now I have to verify my email ID. Now I will tell you how to create new account. First of all, enter first your email ID and second email ID and enter email ID address bar. You have to update, mention your personal email ID and verify the email ID is same, and password is required mandatory some length and verify the password. And third, you have to update your mail and last name and mobile number and address 1, address 2, and city and postal code and country also. Lastly, mention your required preferred language and English, and thirdly, you're going to community address what you want to how to check and capturing and agree everything. You have to, after all the things done, you have to sign up on your account, and after you have to go and open. I am already created my account previously. My account was active. This is showing after you have all the things done, you will get a one email confirmation email. You have to click on active. My account already active. This will be managing the license, download products, managing the subscription services, managing the Vmware users, permissions, evaluation products, everything stuff will be there. Everything. After clicking, my account will be active. Later, I have to log in my Ender account. Now I'm going to show you how to log in and download of Vmware stuff. I'm logging by personal email account. So actually, I already logged in my account, and right now it's there is an interface on this like this. Go to download, and you will be get some downloads and product downloads, free trials and demos, and free product downloads. If you want to click both, depend on your requirement. You have to go on. I am clicking the free download products. Click. And click the. If you want to download whatever you think, Vspare client. I need a Vspare client. This page will be automatically open. uploaded evaluation center for the Vmware Vsparevcenter 10.0. It is only for, actually I had downloaded some files previously. That time I am going to download for this package manually. If you want to download anything, so you have to give the agreement. I think you will create some account for the evaluation account. I have clicked on the manually download. I need to download it manually. Right now I cross checking what is given. Downloading packages. Download manually and click it download manually. Download will be started. It's showing like this, and I'm clicking OK. Download will be started, and which format we have to give you. And secondly, it's I am clicking previously Vsparevcenter client. If you want to download, it requires some registration account for your trial accounts. Register for this mandatory. I want to download a Vmware Vsparevcenter server also. It's a 6.42 GB ISO image. Vmware Vsparevcenter server application. It's a total ISO file. You click on the manually download. The download will be started. 6.4 MB. Just thanks for watching this video. And if you're interested on this, please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, comment if you have any doubts.